Welcome to the Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn the years of important in SSC Social Studies. So let us start the video. Please subscribe the video. Please like and comment this video. If you like, you have to share this video to your friends and family members and teachers also. Thank you. Let us start. Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit was held in 1992. Brundtland Commission report released in 1987. National forest policy came into force 1952. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act was made in 1972. Project Tiger started in 1973. The first jute mill was set up near Kolkata at Risra in 1855. Border Roads Organization established in 1960. The first train steamed off from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. Sri Lanka got independence in 1948. Recognition of Sinhala as the only official language in Sri Lanka in 1956. The use of English for official purpose was stopped in 1965. The major steps towards decentralization was taken in 1992. State Reorganization Commission was formed in 1956. The Equal Remuneration Act was passed in 1976. All India Trinamool Congress was launched in 1998. Communist Party of India was formed in 1925. Communist Party of India Marxist formed in or split in CPI 1964. Indian National Congress was formed in 1885. Bharatiya Janata Party was formed in 1980. Nationalist Congress Party formed in 1999. MGNREGA Act come into force in 2005. Consumer Protection Act COPRA was passed in 1986. RTI Act came into force in 2005. Consumer Protection Act amended in 2019. Founder of Bangladesh Grameen Bank Muhammad Yunus got Nobel Prize in 2006. Ford Motor set up a plant near Chennai in 1995. United Nations Organization was formed in October 24, 1945. The French Revolution broke out in 1789. The birth of Giuseppe Mazzini 1870. Vienna Congress, Napoleon was overthrown. Both incidents happened in 1815. The struggle for Greek freedom began 1821. Treaty of Constantinople was signed in 1832. The Jollovian Customs Union was established in 1834. Piedmont and Sardinia were successful in defeating the Austrian army in 1859. Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed the King of United Italy on 1861. The Habsburg rulers granted more autonomy to Hungarians in 1867. The Prussian King William I was proclaimed as German Emperor in 1871. The Act of Union between England and Scotland was signed in 1707. Kheda Satyagraha in Gujarat and Gandhiji went to Champaran in Bihar happened in 1917. Ahmedabad mill strike was started in 1918. The Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre was happened in 13th April 1919. Khilafat Committee was formed in Bombay 1919. Non-cooperation program was adopted by National Congress in 1920 Nagpur session. Gandhiji wrote Hind Swaraj 1909. The non-cooperation Khilafat movement began 1921 January. Of course, here 1920 is also correct answer. Gandhiji decided withdraw the non-cooperation movement 1922 February. With the outbreak of Chauri Chaura incident, Gandhiji decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. Allur Sitaram Raja was captured and executed in 1924. The establishment of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries was happened in 1927. Simon Commission arrived in India 1928. The Purna Swaraj Declaration was demanded by the Congress in December 1929. Salt Satyagraha civil disobedience movement or Dandi March was started on 6th April 1930. Gandhiji-Irwin Pact was signed on 5th March 1931. Pune Pact signed in September 1932 between Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Gandhiji. 14th, the Indian National Congress endorsed the historic Quit India Resolution on 14 July 1942. Rinderpest arrived in Africa 1880. The Great Depression began in 1929 to 30. The first cotton mill in Bombay came up in 1854. Dawn of the Century was written in 1900. Sambandh Kaumudi began to publish by Raja Ram Mohan Rai in 1821. Gulamgiri was published in 1871. The Vernacular Press Act was passed in 1878. These are the most important years of importance for the public examination. Thank you one and all. All the images used in this video are for educational purpose only. Thank you all. Please subscribe this channel. For more videos, subscribe to Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. Thank you one and all. Wish you all the best for your public examinations.